नमस्कार मुलांनो, तुमचं सगळ्यांचं स्वागत आहे. आज मी तुम्हाला इंग्रजीमधून पत्रलेखन शिकवणार आहे. पुढचा व्हिडिओ हा पूर्णतः इंग्रजीत असणार आहे. या व्हिडिओमध्ये अनेक असे शब्द असतील जी तुम्ही पहिल्यांदा ऐकत असाल, ज्याचे अर्थ तुम्हाला माहीत नसतील. असे काही शब्द मी खाली डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये दिले आहेत. चला तर मग आता आपण वळूया पुढच्या व्हिडिओकडे. So students, as I mentioned before, today we are going to learn letter writing. What is letter writing? A letter is a written message which can be handwritten or printed or can be a mail. Before understanding how to write a letter, let us study about history of lettering briefly. When there were no computers, no printers, people used to write letters by their own, pack it in an envelope, and send them via post. Okay, students, can you all tell me how people used to send letters when there were no post offices? You can surely take help of your parents and answer this question. Now let's move ahead with the history of letters. So, eventually technology evolved. Computers were invented, typewriters, printers were invented, due to which, instead of writing letters, people started to print letters and post them. Along with the changing world of computers, people started using internet. Well, we all know that internet is faster than traditional post. Where post offices takes 5 to 7 days for delivering a letter, internet does it in 5 to 7 seconds. That's crazy, isn't it? So, in order to save time and work fast, people started mailing letters. So this way, writing a letter evolved through the years. Okay students, now let's move ahead with types of letters. There are two types of letters, informal and formal. So what is an informal letter? A letter written in a friendly manner is known as informal letter. And a letter written in formal language is known as a formal letter. For having personal communication, we write informal letter. Whereas for professional communication, we write formal letters. There is no prescribed format for informal letters, but formal letters are written in prescribed format only. We write informal letter to our friends, family members, etc. But when we have to write a business letter or a letter to college, employer, organizations, etc., we write formal letters. So, now as we have understood the difference between informal and formal letter, let us move ahead and see how to write an informal letter. For that, let us take chapter number 1.4 from your English textbook. A letter from Hingoli. First, let us see a few important things which are required in letter writing. First is the place from where the letter is written. In this case, the place is Hingoli. Second important thing is date. Next important thing is salutation. Salutation is nothing but the word which is used to acknowledge a person. In informal letter, we usually write my dear, following the name of the person we are willing to write. Then comes the body of the letter, where we write things we want to tell the other person. And last but not the least is the subscription. Subscription is the ending of a letter where sender's name is written. Now let us read and understand the letter. So basically, chapter 1.4 is a letter written by Raman to his Sanju Mama. Raman says he had visited his mama's place in summer vacation where he had lots of fun. Now, what all things he enjoyed are written in this letter. So, let us read that together. My dear Sanju Mama, I have reached Hingoli. How wonderful were the days we spent at Sagroli. Unforgettable moments. This summer vacation has added so many colorful memories to my life. Sanju Mama, I really miss Sagroli. At Sagroli, I enjoyed swimming in Manjra River, playing with Tejas and Avdut on its banks, and going on long walks through the Balaghat hills, riding a buffalo on the way back home. I felt like the king of Sagroli. That lunch! Wow! Amras and kurdai, papdya and kanda bhaji. Meera Mami is a great cook, a master chef. Aji's Shrikhandavari is incomparable. How I enjoyed reading the bound volumes of Kishore, Champak and Kumar in Kakazuba's library. I am looking forward to my visit to Sagroli next year. Give my regards to Aji, Azoba, Raju Mama, Shaila Mami, Meera Mami, and love and best wishes to Tejas and Avdut. Yours lovingly, Raman. So, as we have completed reading this letter, let us now move to the small note written below, which states P.S. I am sending 2 postal stamps for Tejas and a matchbox cover for Avdut for their collection. Okay, so by reading this, you must be thinking, why is this note mentioned below the letter? And what is P.S.? What does it mean? Well, let me clear your doubts. P.S. means postscriptum. Now here, post means after and scriptum means written material. So, under the heading P.S., we write something that is important but we forgot to mention. Okay students, so now that's it for today. I hope your basics regarding an informal letter are clear from this video. Let us meet again with something new. Thank you.